So I am going to show you how to get to the book apps. So when you log into Rapid Identity, you are going to scroll down to where you see Sora. With Sora, you're able to check out books and, oh, excuse me, yeah, you're able to check out a book. So let's say Miss Malone wants to read Clap Your Land. Okay, so y'all see right here how it says place hold. That means somebody has this book checked out and I am not able to read it right now. So let's say Miss Malone wants to go to juvenile nonfiction. I will sit here and I will see all the books that I'm allowed to read. So let's say I want to read Bad News for Outlaws. I would hit borrow. And now I'm able to, if you just click here, I'm now able to read this book. So for today's lesson's purposes, you want to read the first page. So I'm clicking through all this. So then I would read the very first page. And then there is a way right here that if I wanted to, I could scroll all the way to page 50. Well, not all the way to page 50. Page. Okay, let's say this is my last page because this about the research in the bibliography does not count as the last page. That is citing your sources. So I'm going to read the last page, so more about Judge Isaac C. Parker and more about Indian Territory. That is how you do Sora. So let's close. Okay. Now I'm going to show you, if you go to destiny.aisd.net, you see this is your home page for all of the schools. You will go over to the junior high section. You will click on Nichols Junior High. And now you are in our library database. So you've seen Sora, Teen Book Cloud, and Tumble Book Library. I'm going to show you in Tumble Book how you can find a book here to read. So I'm going to click on ebooks. And let's say Miss Malone wants to read The Tiger Rising. I will simply click Read Online. And then this is the very first page, so I would read the first page. If this was the book I picked for today, I'd read the very first page. And the cool thing about Tumble Book is that you can take notes. So I could title these notes Chapter 1, and I could take notes on whatever I read. And then I would just hit save. And there's you get one notepad per chapter. So here's your chapter menu. So you start at chapter 1 and read the first page. And then I would go to chapter 30 and I would go to page 3 of 3 and I would read the very last page. Okay. You can change the color options. So if I wanted a pink background with red letters, I can do that. You don't have to, but if you just want to have fun while you're reading, you can. And that is how you will pick a book. So let's go back. Oh, Tumble Book, boom. Okay, let's go back. And there are plenty of books for you to choose from. Chapter books, advanced readers. If you want to do some graphic novels, there are some graphic novels for you. Some nonfiction. Make sure it is age appropriate, okay? But I wanted to show you all that. So remember, Sora is in Rapid Identity. And Tumble Books is on the library database, which is destiny.aisd.net. Okay? And that is it. Is that not recording? Okay, sorry. Okay.